Okay, dear students, this is the maximization problem. Remember, this is a bigger problem, so we will be pretty quick in that. Okay, so you have to be with me. You have to bear with me. So you see what is going on over here. There are 5 jobs and 5 persons to assign. We have 5 persons, 5 jobs, and it's a maximization problem. So first we have to make it minimize. What would we do? We have to find the we have to find the maximum value out of this whole matrix. So the maximum value is 14. The maximum value is 14. So we have to subtract every single element with from 14. So the matrix would be matrix would be 9, 12, 11, 8, 7, 3, 10, 2, 0, 5, 4, 8, 9, 10, 6, 2, 11, 0, 3, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 9. Okay, we are done with this. Now, after doing this, what do we have to do next? We have to we have to start since it is converted into the minimization problem, and it was balanced as well. So there is no need to increase any variable, increase any J5 or a P5. So it is already balanced, 5 rows, 5 columns. So we just have changed into the and converted into the minimized problem. So it has become minimized. Now it has become minimized. Next step is to reduce its rows with the lowest value. So 2 is here. Okay. 2 is here. And 8 is here. And 8 is here. 2 is here. 0 is here. 0 is here. And 2 is here. So 28002. Plus we also have to reduce its column as well. Okay, so first we write it down. 9 minus 2, 7. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 10 will be same. So 12 minus 8, 4. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. 11 minus 8, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 9 0 8 8 0 10 3 7 7 minus 2 5 5 minus 2 3 6 minus 2 4 2 minus 2 0 9 minus 2 7. So you see we have reached to the after this matrix, after the row reduction. Now we have to reduce its column with the smallest values 7 4 8 5. So 4 1 0 0 0 0 1. So the matrix would be 3 matrix would be 3 0 7 4 1 1 2 2 0 3 2 0 9 10 4 0 3 0 3 0 9 0 7 6 6. The new matrix is here. So this is a new matrix we have come up after the row and column reduction. 3 1 2 0. There's a mistake over here. You see, after reducing the rows, 9 minus 2 over there, you see 10 should not be here, and because of that this 9 should not be here. Okay, let me write 9 minus 2 7 1 2 0 2. So the 2 8 must be here, 8 must be here. Okay, okay, 3 1 2 0 0 and 7. This 7 0 2 0 2 0 3 0 7 2 9 0 7 4 0 10 3 6 and 1 3 4 0 6. Okay, so just rechecking it. 2 5 3 4 0 7. There must not be any mistake over here. We cannot find out mistake if there is any in between the steps. 7 3 0 7 4 1 7 0 7 6 6. Okay, let's move ahead. Now we have to start assigning. First assignment would be the first assignment would be from starting from the row. So first one, and when it is assigned, the whole column has to be cross. Second, there are 3 zeros we will not be able to assign. Third, we cannot assign. Fourth, we can assign. Therefore, we have assigned. Cut the column. Fifth, we cannot assign. Now, when we talk about the column, let's talk about the column. In the column, you see there is a first 0. We can assign. We have to cut it. Not this way. We have to cut the other way. To cut the other way. It's 7 4 1 7 4 7 4 and it's 1. Okay. Yes, what we had to cut? We had to cut from this way, since it's a column. This way. Okay. Now let's move ahead towards the next column. Next column is this 2 9 10 4. No, it will not be cut. 7 7 6. No, it will not be cut. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the phase 2, that is to reduce the whole uncut values with the lowest value, that is 1 over here. So we will reduce it with the 1 and copy the rest. 3 0 3 0. Okay, 3 0 1. All the elements which are at the intersection, they will be increased by 1. So 3 0 4. Okay, these were the elements who were intersected. 3 was the element which was intersected, and 4 was the element which was intersected. So 3 over here, that is 2 was intersected, and 3 was intersected. So both are increased by 1. So the remaining would have to be reduced, like 2 has to be reduced to 1. 0 will be same. 0 will be same. 7 would be reduced to 6. 3 has to be reduced as well. 3 has to be reduced as well because it was not cut. It was not cut. 3 has to be reduced. Okay. By 2. 2 0. 7 has to be reduced. 6 3 and it's 0. 2 will be same, 0 will be same, and 3 will be same. Now other elements would be 8 9 3. These will be same. 6 0 6 0 6 5 5. You see another matrix is developed, and in that you see we are able to assign. Now let's assign from the first one here. It must be assigned. This must be assigned because it is a single zero. It is assigned. When it is assigned, the whole column is cut. Next row we cannot assign, there are three. The third we cannot assign, there is no zero. Third there is one, so we can assign, and we will cut the whole column. Now we will see the fourth one. Fourth we can assign, we will cut the whole column. Now what we are remaining? We are remaining with the two columns, 1 and 2. Let's start, and there is a single zero over here. You see single zero will be allocated, this will be cut. So when this is cut, so we are done with the 1 2 3 4 because there is no zero in this. So all assignment is done, but still we have assigned the 4 jobs to different operators. Now we have to do that phase 2 again. We have to reduce the whole with the least number, that is 1. So 1 would be, 2 would be same. You see 2 would be same over here. 0 will be converted into 1 since it is at the cross section, so it will be increased by 1. Increased by 1 and 6 3 0. So you see 1 4, it was at the intersection. 2 same, 0 same, 3 same. Next is 1 will be reduced to 0. Okay, 0 would be same. 7 reduced to 7, 8, 2. 0 would be again 0. The intersection we saw it 4, so 4 would be 5, and other elements would be same as before. 5 0 5 4 4. Now you see there is another matrix is done. With this matrix, what we have found multiple zeros. So let's start assignment again. So in this assignment you see in the first row where there are 2 zeros, so we cannot assign. In the second we have 2 0, we cannot assign. In the third we have 1 0, we can assign. Yes, we can assign, and whenever we assign we have to cut. Okay. In the fourth we can assign, and we have to cut. Okay, so in the fifth we have to assign. There is single zero, we have to cut the whole column. Now let's solve the column again. So you see in this column we have 2 0, we cannot until it's 1. So over here in this column we have 1, so we can assign. And whenever we assign in the column, we have to cut the whole row. So now we are left with the 1 0 in this whole column. So we can assign this as well. Or when we will assign this whole, we'll assign this, the whole column would be cut. It was whole column would be cut. So lastly, what we did, let me reiterate what we did. We assign this column, this 0, okay, because it was the only which was left, okay, in this column. So we assigned and we cut the whole row. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are assigned. Let me write for you. So you see, let me conclude this whole question just to make you memorize the important points. First, what happened? The maximization problem was there. We converted into the minimized one. The matrix was minimized by reducing it with the largest number. So this is the minimized one. And after when we got all the assignments to all the jobs are assigned to all the employees, so we have to use that matrix, the answer matrix, to represent the maximized problem. Like J1 job is assigned to P3. J2 job is assigned to P5. J3 job is assigned to P4. J4 job is assigned to P2. J5 job is assigned to P1. So you see P1, P2, P3, P4, P1, P2, P4, P5, P3 all are assigned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 jobs are assigned to the 5 persons. And let me write the profit maximum value which we will earn by assigning these jobs to that particular person. 12 will be here. From 12 is here. You see 12 is there. It's not 12. It's 10. Sorry. It's 10. So 10 over here, the 10 is assigned. Okay. Over here, the 5 is assigned. Over here, the 14 is assigned. Over here, this 14 is assigned. Over here, this 0 is assigned. Like this. So we have to write all of them one by one. 10 plus 5 plus 14 plus 14 plus 7. So what would it be? 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 14, 29. 29 plus 10, 39. 39 plus 4, 43. 43 plus 7, 50. So 50 is the maximum profit we can make, and we assign these jobs to these 5%. Thank you very much.